So I'm here to tell you about microcontrollers. It's one of the really cool units where we get to look at something called a microcontroller, which is like a little mini computer. And these days, anything that has electronics in it is not pure electronics anymore. It has this little computer in it that you can program as well as the electronics. So your fridge, your washing machine, microwaves, any device that you've got now has this little programmable stuff in. And that's what we're going to be teaching you how to use. This is why we taught you programming in the first year, and it's a lot of fun. I should tell you the bad news, it is an examinable unit, so there is a 12-hour, not exactly an exam, it's like your design one, where you're given a project, a brief, and you have to design, build and test something that meets that brief. So that's going to be a lot of fun. This here is a microcontroller. It's a programmable chip and it lets us control various things. Now there's some things on here you're going to use more, but I've got switches, I've got LEDs, I've got an LCD display, and over here I've got a temperature and pressure sensor. So I've already programmed some stuff on here. If I press the first button, it flashes the LED to let me know I'm pressing the button, and it tells me what the current temperature is, which is about 25 degrees C in my house. When I let go, it keeps the LED on. I'm now going to press the second button, and it tells me what the pressure is. And again, it flashes when I press the button, and when I release it, it stays on. And then my third button is the reset, so it flashes while I'm pressing it and then goes away. So that's taking a reading from this sensor, it's processing it in here, and it's displaying it on this LCD display. However, we can go much cooler than that. This is my robot, and no, before you ask, it doesn't have a name. It's a robot, it's not a toy. Well, kind of a toy. It's not a fluffy toy. It doesn't need a name. It's a robot. Anyway, you're going to get to build one of these as well. Maybe not quite as sophisticated as mine, but still using the same techniques, and we'll have a lot of fun. So let's show you how it works. I'm going to control this one using an Xbox controller. But if you've got an Android phone, you'll be able to use your Android phone to control it. If you've got an Apple phone, sadly, Apple says they won't allow you to build your own robot and run it. That's not something Apple controls, not me. But hopefully, we'll have a lot of fun doing stuff like this. And when everybody's built one, we'll run them a little race and we'll see who's managed to build the best robot.